Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the char data type. Okay, so the char data type, it's used to store strings or text. So let's start by creating something here. So let's just start by storing a single char into a variable char letter. So we can store a letter. To do that, we're gonna use single quotes. Okay. For example, let's store the character A, and we can print this on the screen. Letter. We use the %C. Okay. Let's start by doing this. Let's compile and let's run. So you guys can see the letter A. Okay. Okay, so we have this letter A. This char is a single variable. We're gonna talk about arrays and how to store more text on a single variable later. So there is something that you guys should know first. We use I think it's called ask. I think it's called ask notation to store characters. So there's multiple ways to store characters. So you can use the characters itself, or you could use numbers. For example, capital letter A is the number 65 on the ask table. You guys can search for this table on the internet. So if you do this, use the letter A. It's the same thing. Okay. We can use hexadecimal and decimal notations also, but they are more complicated to remember. But using this notation is much easier using an integer. So chars and integers are interchangeable. You can use both of them if you want to. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay. So let's talk about how to store a single, actually a string using char. So we cannot store more than 2 characters on a char. For example, I cannot do this. Okay, it's gonna throw me an error. It's going to print the first letter. Actually, I didn't compile, right? Let's come back to see if we can compile this. It's going to. Yeah, it can compile because it knows that I cannot do this. This is invalid. So we need to add 2 square brackets at the end of this variable. So this will allocate memory to store this string. Let's execute. Yeah, let me see. I forgot something here. I'm missing something, guys. Let's see what I'm missing. Okay, it needs to be it needs to be double quotes. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, guys, I figured out it needs to be an S here. Okay, so let's compile this again. Okay, let's compile, and there you go, both. Okay, so this is how you guys store strings on a char array. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this, and see you guys next time.